Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. I am Bimo from Genie Guide, and in today's guide video I am going to guide you on how you can actually play the Minecraft game as a complete beginner. We are going to run through some of the basics and the very short basics of this Minecraft game, so you want to make sure to watch this video till the end. So without any further ado, let us get started with today's tutorial. Perhaps fitting for its 13-year anniversary, Minecraft has once again become the world's most popular game. But for those coming to the game for the first time, you may be wondering, how do you play Minecraft? Minecraft isn't like a typical video game. There aren't any obvious objectives or any real tutorials to help you get started, so this beginner's guide will help you get prepared for your very first adventures in Minecraft. The fun thing about Minecraft is that it's an open, endless world and you're free to do whatever you please, but to do that, it'll help to understand the basics. The objective and basic controls in Minecraft. Before we get into how to play Minecraft, you want to visit minecraft.net to purchase and download the game. Minecraft is available on most modern platforms, consoles and smartphones. For this guide, we will be focusing on Minecraft on Windows, Mac and Linux. But once you understand the basics, they can be applied to any version on any platform. There isn't a main objective in Minecraft, but there is a certain flow of gameplay that is recommended for everybody. You start in this huge open world with nothing and must gather materials from scratch to build yourself a shelter, get food, build a bed and survive until the next day. From there, you can begin to go mining for valuable resources like iron ore and diamond to create powerful tools, weapons and armor. As you play for longer, you'll be able to explore the open world and find villages, loot, hidden chests, and fight enemy creatures called mobs. Before we begin with any of that though, we should take you through the basics. First of all, start by opening Minecraft, click single player and then create new world. Click the game mode button until survival is visible. The fun starts in survival mode, where you must survive and gather everything for yourself. We recommend you stick to the standard controls. With those controls in mind, let's test it out. Move to a nearby tree and break it by holding the left mouse click. Once the tree block breaks, it will drop a log. Break 4 tree pieces and collect them when they drop on the ground. Press E to open your inventory. You will notice that you have the 4 logs in the bottom row of squares. This row is your quick slot tab. You can press 1 to 9 to equip any of these. The rest of your inventory will hold more items, but you cannot quick equip them. You can click and drag items in inventory to change the location. Everything in Minecraft must be mined or crafted. So if you wanted to build tools, for example, you must mine the base resources for them and then craft them. It starts at the very basic level and goes from there. For example, to build a tool, you start with a log, then build planks, then craft sticks and use sticks and planks together to make a tool. Almost all crafting requires a crafting table. To create one, you can use your logs. First, click and drag your logs into the 4 small squares shown next to your character in the inventory menu. You will notice that there will be 4 new items in the output box. These are planks. Right-click on these 4 items to convert your logs into planks and then drag them into your main inventory. It may seem a bit strange at first, but bear with me. Next, use the left click to select the 16 planks you created, and then right click once when hovering over each of the 4 boxes next to your character. There will be a new item in the output box. It's a crafting table. Left click to put your planks back in the space in the inventory. Then left click to select the crafting table. Next, move your mouse to the toolbar at the bottom and left click to drop it there. Next, exit the inventory by pressing E. You can now equip your crafting table by pressing the number key corresponding to the slot it is in. After, you can look at anywhere on the ground and right click to place it down. Next, look at the crafting table and right click. You will see the new crafting table user interface. Click the green book to bring out the extended crafting table menu. You can click on items on the left side to see how they are crafted. As you play, you'll learn more crafting recipes, or you can search on the internet for them. For now, we need to build some basic tools. In Minecraft, tools can help you gather resources faster. Tools types include the following: pickaxes for mining rock and ore faster, axes for cutting trees faster, shovels for digging dirt faster, hoes for preparing soil for planting seeds, swords for attacking enemy mobs. There are other tools for more unique circumstances, but for now we only need these. For this, click on the stick in the crafting table. You'll notice that you need 2 planks stacked on top of each other in the crafting user interface to build 4 sticks. We will need 8 sticks to use the right click to pick up your planks, and use the left click to place an extra plank in each box. Place your planks back in the inventory and use left click to collect the sticks from the output box. We will now have unlocked new recipes to build basic tools. Click the Tools tab in the crafting table inventory. Next, you can click on each of the tools. For now, just craft a shovel, pickaxe, and axe to create them. Use the same tips we have already explained to craft them and add them to your inventory or toolbar. Once you've finished, your inventory should look a little something like the image over here. Exit the crafting table by pressing E. You've now built your first tool. Now it's time to get to strips with the world around you. Surviving your first night. At night time, enemy mobs will appear and try to attack you. If you die, you will come back nearby, but you must go back and collect all your stuff. It's best not to die in Minecraft because you can lose your items or lose your previous location. So to avoid this, for the first night we need to build a quick shelter. To make it as easy as possible, simply equip the shovel by pressing the corresponding hotkey number for it. For us it was 1. Next, look at the ground and hold right click to dig down 3 blocks. Look up and equip the dirt you just mined. It should be on the 4 key. Next, right click to place a block. It will now get dark, but the important thing is that you are safe. You must now wait until morning. It should take about 7 minutes. So either wait or hear the dangerous creatures walking by outside, or take a quick break and come back in 7 minutes. Your game must stay open, otherwise the time will be paused. In 7 minutes time, you can look up and hold left click to dig the dirt to reveal the morning light. Now, if it's still dark, just place the dirt down again and wait a bit longer. As soon as it's morning, you can dig the blocks in front of you to create a small step to jump on so you can leave the hole you've been hiding in. So now that you've built your first house, you need to set up a real shelter so that you never have to hide in a hole covered in dirt again. There are just a few things you need: walls, a roof, a door, and a bed. With a bed, you can sleep so you don't need to wait all the night. The night will automatically be skipped. The walls and ceilings can be built from anything. You could get fancy and build it out of planks, or simply build it out of dirt. You can collect these resources from trees or the ground with the tools you've already crafted. You're going to need quite a lot of blocks. Exploring the world. At this point, you should now have all the basic gear to survive. You will have a home, a bed, tools, and a way to cook food and store items. At this point, it's time to start collecting better gear. You can use the crafting table to build better tools which last longer and mine blocks quicker. The quickest upgrade is to use cobblestone to build stone tools, but as you dig deeper you can find diamonds and iron. Iron is the next upgrade after stone. And diamond is even better. For now, stone will be fine. You must dig down deep to find iron and diamond, and that might take quite some time. In the meantime, you are able to explore the world for yourself and learn how to play Minecraft. You'll learn more as you play. The fun in Minecraft is exploring and learning how to play yourself. What you do next is up to you. Will you dig down deep to find abandoned mine shafts filled with loot and dangerous enemies? Will you explore the world above to find villages to trade your loot or locate hidden temples to get better gear? Will you search for a saddle in chests hidden in structures so you can ride a horse? Or will you work on getting diamond gear? The choices are endless. A great place to learn more about how to play Minecraft is by watching videos like this one on our channel. For now though, we hope that this beginner's guide to getting started on Minecraft has proven to be useful to you.